Hey, what's going on everybody? Paul Tech here, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a comparison between Metro PCS and Verizon Wireless. So I got my LG Stylo 2 Plus here connected to Metro PCS, and I got my Moto Z Droid connected to Verizon Wireless. Wi-Fi has been disabled. We're going off of pure 4G LTE here. It's around 4:16, so we're approaching that peak time where there is a lot of traffic on both of these networks. A lot of people getting home from work, getting on their phones. As you can see on the Moto Z there, data saver has been disabled, so there should be no data being restricted of any type whatsoever. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to the LTE Speed Test application here. Both of these are checking to find the best server right now, and 4G LTE Metro PCS. As you can see there, Wi-Fi disabled, and Moto Z for Verizon Wireless, 4G LTE, and the same thing, Wi-Fi has been disabled on both of those. One thing I do want to check before I do this is that they're both on the same server here. So let me go ahead and change server. So it looks like Chico, California is going to be the closest one to me. So let me go ahead and click that for the Metro PCS device there. And yeah, so they're both on the closest server here. So we're going to run this speed test here and just see which network is going to provide the better download, upload speeds, etc. So here we go. And all right, so we got ping 68 for Metro PCS, 46 on Verizon Wireless. We're going to check download speeds. It looks like Moto Z is going to take the win with 2.96 compared to 0.66 for Metro PCS there. And then for upload speeds, it is going to be 5.89 megabits per second for Verizon and 11.27 megabits per second for Metro PCS. So actually Metro PCS does have the better upload speeds compared to Verizon, but Verizon has the better download speeds there. So let's run this test again. Gonna run it probably around 3 times just to compare the numbers here. And let's see there. So yeah, we have Moto Z looking like it is going to take the download speeds there at 3.90 compared to 1.25 for on Metro PCS. Check upload speeds here, and it looks like Metro PCS is going to have the higher upload speeds right now. So let's go ahead and compare the numbers. Yes, 9.07 compared to 6.58 megabits per second for upload speeds on Verizon. So once more, let's do this test. So here we go. And we are going to see. All right, so ping is 68 for Metro PCS, 52 for Verizon Wireless. Download speeds, once again, is going to be Verizon Wireless there with 2.22 compared to 1.05. And then upload speeds, looks like it is going to be Metro PCS that is going to take the upload speeds. Yes, it is 9.84 compared to 5.79. So this is indoors. So I'm going to take this outdoors and we're going to see how they perform and what numbers we get outdoors. Again, I'm actually in the middle of a big storm right now, so you guys will see in just a moment here. So here we go. We are outdoors now. So we're going to run the speed test again and see what we get. So it looks like the Moto Z on Verizon Wireless is trying to find the best server there. So we'll give it a couple seconds to catch up and find the best server. As you can see there, not too sure. Let me go ahead and focus in so you can see a little better here. We're still connected to 4G LTE. We're just outdoors now. So I'm going to run the test for the Metro PCS device here and see what we get. I usually get better numbers outdoors than inside my house. As you can see there, wow. So download speeds is definitely improved on the Metro PCS service here. So download speeds is 20.28 megabits per second there. Wow, so that's a big improvement from indoors. And let's check upload speeds outdoor, and 6.79 megabits per second there. And I'm not too sure what's going on with Verizon right now. It is on 4G LTE. It's still trying to find the best server here. Again, this is kind of a peak time right now. It's about 4:30. A lot of people getting home. getting on the network of Verizon, so you might see some slowdowns. Um, but let's see here. Go ahead and click back on the application there and see if it can find the best server. But as you can see there, Metro PCS numbers did improve. So let me run the test again on Metro PCS. So hopefully Verizon Wireless here can connect to the server. And okay, download speeds are looking pretty good there for Metro PCS, 11.59. So that is pretty good there. And then we're going to check upload speeds. And again, I'm not too sure what's going on with the Moto Z here. It's still struggling to find the best server. So this is twice I've ran the Metro PCS device outdoors. Let me go ahead and show you here that I am not out of data. The data usage, I've only used 13% of my data. Okay, 13%. Let me go ahead and click on that. And you're going to see mobile data is enabled. And I've only used 0.88 gigabytes out of 7 gigabytes. So I don't know what's going on here. Data saver is off, but I'm not able to connect on 4G LTE with Verizon outdoors right now for some reason. Don't know what's going on there. Metro PCS, I'm having no problems whatsoever. It's connecting. I ran the test twice. Let's try one more time. Let's see here. Let's go to the speed test here. And it's still trying to find the best server. Go ahead and run Metro PCS here for a third time and see the numbers we do get. So wow, download speeds are really good, as you can see there for Metro PCS. And 16.79. That's pretty good. So we're gonna check upload speeds here on Metro PCS. Oh, and look at the Moto Z there. Network communication issues. Wow. That's network communication issues that are happening right now. So let me go ahead and let's just try to open up an application. Let's try to, let me just bring down the brightness here a little bit. But it is on 4G LTE. Okay, so I am on Verizon Wireless. So let's go ahead and open up YouTube here and just make sure it's not the application, the UCLA application there. As you can see, the Metro PCS device connected to YouTube already with no issues whatsoever. And the Moto Z on Verizon is even struggling to connect to YouTube there, as you can see on 4G LTE right now. I don't know what's going on with Verizon, but it's not looking good, Verizon. Look at, I'm even able to stream a video off of YouTube with no problem, and still Moto Z can't connect to the UCLA speed test, and it cannot connect to YouTube. I'm going to clear out all the applications here, and let's go ahead and open up YouTube one more time and see if Moto Z on Verizon can open up here. And as you can see there, the LG Stylo 2 Plus on Metro PCS open up YouTube with no issues whatsoever. You can even go jump into my video here, and while I'm on Verizon, I'm still waiting, and Metro PCS has already got the YouTube video up and running. So there you have it. I'm going to give the win to Metro PCS here. It definitely outperformed Verizon Wireless. I'm not too sure what happened with the network coverage with Verizon, but Metro PCS network stayed on the entire time and had some pretty impressive scores. But there you have it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for subscribing, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.